Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm just telling about the Mphasis onboarding update, and there was an information regarding the joining date of 22nd June. Many candidates have received the mail of day before yesterday or day before week about the first week of June. So many candidates have received the repel mail, but some of the candidates have not received the repel mail. So all the information about the Btech BCA, how many received the joining date, till how many candidates have received the onboarding mail or not, or repel mail, or there was a delay again. There was a 22nd of June, and again there was a delay of onboarding, but no date. There is a mail regarding the information about that. They will be informed soon when they will be. There was a delay again onboarding date and extended joining date. So guys, the company give the information about that many candidates, but most of the candidates have not received the mail about their joining or something like that. So guys, let's discuss about this topic, and I hope you will subscribe my channel or not, but I think so you like my channel. So there was I've generated a community session. There was a poll generated by me regarding the information one day ago, yesterday. How many Mphasis candidate again received the mail of delay onboarding, and given the date of 22nd June. Given date, there was a mail received by the candidate on the 22nd of June. Most of the candidates have not received the mail, because company have just said that they will be onboarding in a batches. Again and again they have sent the mail about that they will be given a batches, but they have sent the mail. Most of the 100 out of the 100 students, there was only the 10 candidate who have received the mail about their joining date. More than a 1.5 year is over. BCA, BSc, Btech candidate and MC candidate also are waiting for this opportunity, because this time the emphasis is doing very not good for each and every candidate, because candidates are just waiting for their opportunity, because they have not applied for the more opportunities also, because they have to get the joining letter, because they have a dream company of Mphasis joining. So most of the candidate of Pune or Bangalore location and Bangalore hometown candidate have just waiting for the opportunity, because they don't want to leave their town or something like their state. So candidate of the most of the south candidate are just waiting for their opportunity, and many candidate of the BSc BTech. So I have generated a 4 day ago. There was a community session, and I have generated poll again. So asking about the candidate of the 22nd June, how many candidate who received the June onboarding of BSc, BCA or BTech. So guys, only the BTech candidate, most of the BTech candidate have received the mail of onboarding till now. Even if you giving their on campus exam, or you doing to the off campus exam, if your company is coming visit your college or university, if you are giving their exam through the BSc or BA process or like that, so I am just telling about that the 86% out of 298 votes. Yeah. So there was information about that each and every month the company has given they will be onboarded again and again, but they have just only out of the 100 candidate only they have onboarded the 10 candidate. There is no information for the BSc or like that MSc or BCA candidate who has just applied for the opportunity. They have received the joining letter, but there is no information regarding the only the information regarding the BTech candidate. They have just given the BTech candidate on onboarding again and again, giving there, but most of the time they have just delay again and again onboarding, because they have just sent the repel mail, and they have just sent their no like that auto generated mail. So guys, please comment in my comment section, have you any query regarding the onboarding. But I have just a query about the company email. There was again I have received the auto generated mail, same that as soon as every candidate have received. I also waiting for the opportunities. So guys, I'm just telling about that. So please guys, I'm just ready to try to contact with the mail through. Also many seniors are in company, so I'm just telling about that. You can guys vote on a community session. I have generated the poll, so where I get the full information about how many candidates till now BSc, BTech or other branch candidate have received the mail or repel mail. So guys, I have made the auto generator yesterday also. So please guys, so that in that poll generated mail you can vote on there, so I can get the information from the each and every candidate. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like.